Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Let's Go Camping DIY Decor Challenge, and this is hosted by Megan over the Crafty Queen and co-hosted by Adrian over Full-Time DIY Mommy. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. this is the final reveal of my camping project. So let me start with the centerpiece. This is one of the shadow box. I wanted to create the scenery of camping. I got one of the sticker from Dollar Tree which had all the camping stickers in it. So all I did was I just distressed that board inside with some white paint, and I also stuck one of the napkin. This is one of the picnic napkin, and I stuck the picnic blanket with food, bicycle, and camping stickers, tent, and some blanket with hat, and some skewers and pizza and some drinks. So I stuck all the camping details stickers in there, and circled the top with one of this camping trip ribbon all over the shadow box, and using one of the baker's twine which had like brown and beige, I created 2 tassels on either side of the camping site. So this is one of the cute camping sign that I'm in love with. Let me know your thoughts on this. And here on this side I created the sign using one of the wooden sign from Dollar Tree, and I distressed it with a little bit of antique wax and some white paint, so it looks like a little older. And I stuck one of those foam stickers. I wrote camping and stuck one of the shoe sticker on the corner. So this is one of the sign I created. Let me know your thoughts on this. And this is one of the camping campers truck. I don't know what is this called as. I got this from Dollar Tree. I thought this should go with the theme, so I brought it and added in the party. And I created one of the picnic lanterns or camping lantern using the solar stake, the top part of the solar stake, and I piled some of the glass gems, and then it glows in the night because it's solar powered. Yeah, this is one of the lantern, and let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this is one of the picnic chairs that I got from Dollar Tree again, and I had 2 cute small mason jars, and I twined the top of the jars with baker's twine and decorated with 2 flowers, white on it. And oh, I forgot to add this. This is one of the s'mores. So like you saw the process, I cut that wooden piece from the kit section, and I painted one of the cotton ball, a little bit brown paint, just to give like a more melted s'mores kind of an effect. And I stuck 2 of them together, and had some dots on top to give like added the black dots just to give like a s'mores effect. Yeah, this is one of the other project that I'm very much happy with. So these are the few camping projects that I wanted to share with you all. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. Let me know your thoughts, which one is your favorite, and you want to give any suggestions towards my channel. I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.